5. And Tello's gonna fly in the rain. And we're gonna go ahead and see. Alright. It's raining, you better not do this. And then we're gonna go ahead and fly Tello. See if Tello can survive. Do not do this. And you see Tello flying in the rain. So let's go ahead and lower down the brightness. Here you go, look at that. Go back this way. Take a picture. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture. A little bit closer. Take a picture. Look at that. Tello is flying in the rain. Let me see if Tello can do flips. So it's gonna be. Ooh, that was close. Wow. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, this way. Let's go ahead this way. Let's go this way. Man, look at Tello. So, I heard the DJI has what do you call this? It has the what am I saying? It has the quick shots. That's awesome, man. But the thing is, does he have obstacle avoidance? So it's gonna be interesting if he does. Anyway guys, I'm just curious because it has Boomerang and it also has the Astroid. Most likely if they have those features, it only comes with the what, Mavic Air and also the Mavic Pro too. But anyway, I just want to know, and also how much the price gonna cost. I know there's a combo. Interesting. Look at that, man. No GPS needed. And I'm indoor. I don't even have a look at this. I'm just using my iPad mini 5 and I'm not even using anything, and it still give me the video that I needed. So let's go ahead. Look how wet he is. He is super wet. Look at that. Oop, it's lightning. Uh-oh, it's lightning. Uh-oh, don't do that. Let's go ahead and see. Let's see if we can still take a picture. Oh, now the camera on the front. It's just that bubble on the front of the, I call this, one of the water got in there. So we can fix that if we flip. Okay. See, if you flip, if you flip it, sometimes you can get the camera off. Look at that, guys. So I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go back, turn around. Amazingly. But that's gonna be fun if they do come out. If the Mavic Mini is come out. Look at this, man. Look how fun it is. There is no more limits. Look at that. You know, if it's raining, you don't want to go outside, you don't want to get wet, you can just be in your house. You can just see how this drone hover, you know, what's this all about. Look at the flight time. I think it's a little bit windy too outside, so it's like raining hard and lightning. But see, Tello can just take it. So that's a cool thing that it has a quick shot, man. It's amazing that DJI is doing that. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it inside the house. Look at that. Woo! It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. And it's gonna land. without no problem. Anyway, now it's on. Again, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.